In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to checkmate on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel. And here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of this signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorials, we would like to checkmate on chess.com. And of course, if you want to do that, let me just show you in this learn section. Learn, and let's just go into practice or analysis or classroom. All of them works. Let's say as an example, classroom, let's just create a new room and let's just make a possible checkmate option. So let's just do this, and let's say, for example, he do this. Let's just do this. Let's say, for example, he do this. Let's just do this. And here, of course, how to checkmate on chess. You'll have to make this king surrender or resign. And how can you actually do that? You can do that by making him or giving him no legal moves. And of course, the square that he's sitting on is also on threat. So let's say an example. Let's just play this game. Let's see an example, or this move. Let's see an example. I moved here. That means it checkmates. As you can see, white versus black. White won by 1-0. Because now the king cannot move anywhere because it's blocked by other pieces and it has no legal moves. Of course, he cannot capture the queen back because the queens is protected by this bishop. And I'm going to be good to go. So you'll have just to beat the king and make no other room or square to go into, and you will checkmate your opponent. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.